this how you're spending your days? Bed hair, in your pyjamas, having your breakfast at your desk, maybe having your lunch and your dinner as well, whilst trying to stay connected to the world through your laptop. And all the while you're just feeling more and more locked up in your body as well as locked up in your home. Well, that's no good, is it? We're going to have to do something about that. So I'm going to suggest we do a little bit of exercise. All right, I'm going to get ready. Now it's your turn. Go get your fit kid on and I'll see you in a moment. Okay, let's get ready to work out. So we've got our chair. Make sure you've got a nice solid chair. You don't want one with wheels, yeah, because you don't want to be going over in that direction when we're exercising. So you're going to turn towards your chair and you're going to put one leg back. It doesn't matter which leg, just one leg behind you. And you're going to make sure that your hips are facing forward. So think of your two hips like car headlights, going straight ahead. All right, you're going to suck that belly button in, and then what we're going to do is we're going to dip the knee down, hands on the chair, dip the knee down to just above the floor and up. So you're going to dip down and up, down and up, down and up. Good. So 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to hold it here and we're going to do a little tilt of the pelvis. So you're going to tilt the pelvis forward and back. You're going to get a nice stretch through the thigh and through the hip. Forward and back, 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 and forward and back. You're going to come up. We're going to do it again. So here we go. Dip down and up, down and up, down and up. Inhale and exhale. If you want to have the breathing, and up, down and up, down and up, down. Hold it here. Tilt forward and back, tilt forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. 4, my legs are shaking already. 3 and 2 and 1. Coming up, you're really going to feel that in your thigh muscles. My thighs are killing me already. All right, so from here, what we're going to do is we are going to do a little bend, and then we're going to reach forward and raise the legs. You're going to feel this more in the bottom muscles. So you can do a little bend, lift, bend, lift, bend, lift, bend, and lift. 4, 3, 2, 1, lift, hold it here, little raises up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, keep going, 8, and 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, last time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, coming down, turning towards me. You're going to have those feet slightly turned out. I'm going to do a little bend and stretch over. As you can hear, I'm quite out of breath. Hopefully you are a little bit too. Just give you a little breather before we go on to the other side. All right, so we can do the same thing on the other side. So get your chair and take it around the other side. Turning towards the chair, so you've got the other leg behind you now. Think about those hips, so car headlights going forward. All right, nice and square. Suck the belly button in, hands resting on your chair, and then we're going to do it down and up, down and up. Good. So trying to get the knee towards the floor and up. 4 more. 4 and 3. And 2 and 1. Hold it down, little tilt. So you're going to go forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, and 4 and 3, 2, 1. Very good. Coming coming up. Second set. Oh my God, my knees are wobbling already. Bend and up. Bend and up. Bend and up. Bend and up. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it down, tilt forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, and 4 and 3. Are your knees wobbling? 2 and 1. Coming up. Now we're going to do that little bend and lift up, bend and lift up, bend and up, bend and up, bend and up. For 3, 2, 1. Hold it here and lift. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Take that foot down. Turn towards me. Let's have those feet turned out. My legs are a little bit wobbly. I haven't done that for ages. All right, so let's bend the knees. Come down. And into a lovely stretch through the side. Good. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Coming up. All right, so a little bit of leg work there. And let's turn towards our chair. And we're going to do a little bit of spinal work. So what I want you to do is place your hands on the chair, and then you're going to walk yourself back. I'm just checking I've got room. Walking yourself back, and then holding onto the chair, making sure you're nice and sturdy. You're just going to stretch out. So this is going to give you a stretch in your shoulders and in your chest, which get very, very tight when you're spending a lot of time on the computer. So a nice little stretch there. Now I want you to watch what happens with my spine. Can add a little bit of Pilates into this. So I'm going to take a breath in, and as I breathe out, I'm pulling my belly button in, and I'm starting to round my lower back. Can you see? Trying to tuck the tailbone under, and then I'm going to go back in the other direction. So basically sticking your bottom out is the easiest way to think about it, and stretch my shoulders. So I'm going to breathe out, draw the tummy muscles in, and breathe in, going back the other way. Breathe out, drawing the tummy muscles in. And breathe in, going the other way. Good, it's like a ripple of movement through the spine. And back. Breathing out, tucking under. And back, 2 more. And back. And tucking under. And that. Now I want you to bend the knees to increase that stretch. Try not to round that back at all. So you can see, hopefully, I've got a really straight line through the back. Now I'm going to take the hands off, and I'm going to bring them down. I'm going to let the head drop down. I'm going to take a deep breath in, and we're going to breathe out. We're going to uncurl that body, coming all the way up to standing. And then we're just going to roll the shoulders out. So you're going to bring the shoulders up, back and round. Up, back and around. Up, back and around. Up, back and around. Good for 4. 3. Oh, that feels nice. Good. 2. And 1. Good. Now you're going to turn your back to the chair. Alright, so turning our back to the chair, and hands are going to go on the top. And again, you've got to make sure your chair's not too light, or that you've really got control over your body with this one. And you're going to put your hands this way. So can you see my hands are going from here to here, so they're turned out. So this is going to, again, open you up through the shoulders. Alright, so this is why it's good to step away from that desk. Bring the feet away, and then you're just going to bend the knees and just reach down so you can feel a little stretch through the front of the shoulders. I don't want you to go too far, all right? And then you're going to come back up. So we're going to try that again. So you're going to take your hands, you're going to turn the fingers back, you're going to put them on the top of the chair, and then you're going to breathe out, just sinking down. Don't put any weight into those hands, because if you do, your chair's going to do this. All right, so you've got to think of weight is in the legs, your legs are doing the work here for you, whilst you get a stretch in the shoulders, and come up. All right, one more time, so hands, turn them back, put them on the top of the chair, tummies in, and coming down, little stretch, and up, good. All right, so turning back to the side, you're going to hold on to your chair, you're going to bring your feet together. God, I'm getting really hot already. Okay, so what we're going to do is a little bit of work for the side of the body. So I want you to take your hand up, take it behind your head, and then let's check that elbow. Let's take that elbow back. So again, you're getting the stretch all through here. These are all the muscles that get tight when you're on your laptop. All right, so we can nice and open through here. Lift up, suck that belly in, and then you're just going to do a lift to the side and down. You can see this time my leg is parallel. It's not turned out. So we're going to go lift and down, lift and down, lift and down, lift and down, and 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to hold it here, little pulses, up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, last time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to bring that leg in front, cross it over like so, take the arm out to the side, and now you're going to draw the tummy in, and you're going to come forward, going as far as you're able. So stretching down to the floor. If you can reach the floor, you can put the hand on the floor, let the head come down, and just hold it there. Draw the tummy in, unroll the spine, and coming all the way up. Now if you can, you're going to get this foot, you're going to put it across the knee like this. Can you see? And then you're just going to bend the knee and come down. And if you're able and your knees are okay, you're going to put your hand on your thigh like this and just press out. You're going to feel really nice stretch right inside the hip. It's lovely this, I really like the stretch. Good, you're going to come on up. Let's do that on the other side. So take your chair back to your desk. All right, standing nice and tall. Suck the belly button in. Hand up behind the head, and let's check that elbow. Let's take it back. Nice posture. So think of really zipping up from here all the way up to here. And then we're going to go out and back, out and back, out and back, out and back, and 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it here and pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to bring that leg across like so. You're going to take the hand out to the side, and you're going to come forward all the way down into a nice stretch. So if you can't reach the floor, you can have your hand here on your hip, or you can just let the arm hang down. And if you can reach the floor, you just place the hand down like so. And you're going to unroll that spine all the way up. All right, and then from there, you're going to take that leg, put it across the knee, and then we're going to sink down, and at the same time, you're going to press down on that thigh, the other thigh, so you can feel the stretch in the hip. It's not pretty, but it feels really good. All right. Good. And then coming up. All right, and to finish, we're just going to do a little bit of rotation. So you won't need the chair for this. You're just going to have your feet hip width apart, and you're going to take your hands up. You're going to interlace your fingers once again, take them behind your head, and think of pulling your head back into your hands. So it's like someone's getting your head and just lifting everything up into a lovely posture. So hands behind the head like so. You're going to take a breath in, and as you breathe out, you're going to turn your chest to the side whilst keeping your hips still. And then you're going to inhale, come back to center. We're going to exhale, rotate the other way, and inhale, center. So exhale, rotate, and inhale, center. Exhale, rotate, and inhale, center. 4 more. And center. And center. And center, last one. And center. You're going to bring those hands down. You're going to take a deep breath in. You're going to exhale, chin to the chest, bending the knees and rolling down to the floor. My goodness, I'm warm. All the way down. Take a deep breath in and exhale, pull the tummy muscles in and slowly come back up. Good. And again, deep breath in and exhale, chin to the chest, bending the knees and rolling down. Inhale and exhale. Come back up, and this is your last one. Deep breath in and exhale, chin to the chest, bending the knees and coming all the way down. Deep breath in and exhale. All the way up. Wow, well, I don't know about you, but I am really, really hot now after that. Felt really good. So that was my home workers lockdown workout. I do hope you enjoyed it. Will you please press the like button if you enjoyed it, and if you can as well, subscribe to the channel, because the more that my numbers go up, the more it helps me take time out to make films for you. All right, so that's all I have to say today. I just hope you stay positive, stay well, stay safe, keep your spirits up, yeah, because we will get through this, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care, have a good day. Bye for now.